How Verizon router blinking blue. If your Verizon router is blinking blue and you're not sure what to do, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll explain why this happens and how to fix it. So, let's get started. Here are some common reasons for the blinking blue light on your Verizon router. Software glitch. The WPS-enabled device is too far, damaged or loose cables, local internet outage, the router is overheating, outdated firmware. Now, let's dive into how you can fix it. Step 1. Check for local outages. First, check if there's a local outage. Head over to the Verizon Service Outage portal or the Network Status page. If there's an outage or scheduled maintenance, you'll just have to wait for Verizon technicians to fix the issue. Step 2. Power cycle your router and WPS-enabled device. Power off your Verizon router and unplug all cables. Wait for about 5 minutes. Plug everything back in and power it on. This helps clear out any software bugs. If the light is still blinking, try power cycling your WPS-enabled device as well. Step 3. Bring the WPS-enabled device closer. Sometimes, the WPS device might be too far from the router. Bring it closer and see if that helps. If the connection is successful and the blinking stops, it means the distance was the issue. Step 4. Inspect your cables. Next, check your cables. Make sure all cables are connected properly and not damaged. Look for signs of wear or cuts, and replace any damaged cables. Straighten out any tightly bent cables as they can disrupt the connection. Step 5. Relocate the Verizon router. If your router is overheating, it might cause the blinking blue light. Move it to a well-ventilated area and clean it regularly to remove dust and debris. Overheating can affect performance, so ensure it has proper airflow. Step 6. Update the firmware. Log into My Verizon using the mobile app or website. Go to System Settings. Check for any pending updates and install them. And there you have it. These steps should help you fix the blinking blue light on your Verizon router. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. See you in the next video.